How's it going, guys? Just want to do a quick video here on the 22 mods for all bolt carrier group. So kind of like we talked about, kind of want to break it down, just kind of go over it a little bit, look at the staking, things like that. So just as a quick glance, kind of disregard that scratch there. I scratched that on accident, but kind of just glancing over it. If you can see, there's really no machining marks, at least that I can see. It's a really smooth bolt, and you can see the staking is done pretty well there. And it's pretty slick. Like I said on the other video, this kind of reminds me of the PSA bolt carrier groups. But yeah, I mean, just at first glance, I really like it there. Let me see if I can focus on that. So you can see the bolt face. Alright. So you can see it's a full auto M16 bolt carrier group. And yeah, I mean, looking at it, it's really nice. For the $79 add-on, it's not bad at all. But let's break it down real quick here. So see, got our retaining pin there, which is pretty smooth on there. As you can see, we have our firing pin. It's pretty basic, pretty smooth, so that's good there. Got our cam pin. Let's rotate that out. Our cam pin real quick. So no wear on there, so that's pretty good. Nice and lubed. I have not put any lube on here, so whatever's on here came from them. And let's see this bolt real quick. So it looks pretty nice. Let's take off the extractor here and see if we got those rubber O-rings going. The enhanced O-rings. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Got a pin right there. Don't lose that. And yeah. So I mean, nowadays everyone should definitely have the enhanced little extractor spring thing. But yeah. Overall, looks pretty nice. The gas rings on there are, of course, new, and it's pretty greased up there, so that's good to see. Bear with me a second. It's a pretty tight fit, I have to say. It's also, hard to do this behind the camera. But there we go. Looks pretty good. And the cam pin fits pretty snug there. So all in all, good little bolt here for the $80. Like I said, I mean, it doesn't have the MPI markings on it or anything, but by the looks of it, it looks like just your standard mil spec bolt carrier group, which is not bad. I don't believe it's not chrome lined or anything. So I believe this might be Nitride. Yeah, it's pretty slick. So that's kind of what you get on the add-on. Now, whether you want to get a PSA bolt carrier group or kind of just add it on whenever you buy the bundle for them, that's kind of your decision there. But from the looks of it, it's a pretty decent bolt carrier grip. I mean, there's nothing that I don't like about it. Except the fact that I can't get it in. There you go. So now one thing I will say is, of course, I have not shot this, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. There you go. Now we put our firing pin retaining pin back on. Now let's see if this guy's going to be a pain. There we go. Got an assembled bolt there. And just another quick glance here. So I would say, the staking's done properly. It seems like tolerances are there. No machining marks, kind of like we saw on the Bear Creek Arsenal barrels. So for the price and the add-on, if you are buying these kits, I would recommend it. Like I said, just at first glance. We might go out shooting this tomorrow and kind of give you guys an update on that. But that's kind of what you get. Again, I do want to mention we're now at 40 subscribers, so 10 more and this will go out to one of you guys there. So make sure to like, comment on any video, and or subscribe and subscribe, right? For your chance to win that. Like I said, it's only gonna be 50 people on there, and it's only the people who comment on the videos, so it's gonna be a very limited number of people who are actually gonna be put in that drawing. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to win that, as well as see some more, budget options. And here's gonna be another one. And if you didn't see that previous video, we're gonna put together that upper complete rifle, and then I'll go ahead and make a video on that as well. And I will put this in there, go out to the range, shoot it, and give you guys a report back. But I would recommend this kit, or even this bolt carrier itself, if you are just looking for the bolt. But I would recommend that builder's kit if you're looking for a budget option with high value. And I do have to say, we'll kind of run through it on the actual completed video. But if you got any questions, just feel free to leave a comment down there. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.